Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install TailsVoice 7.10 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to TailsVoice official website and download it. It is tails.net. Click on install Tails, then scroll down, click on binding a Tails DVD, then click on download Tails 7.10 ISO image. See, download started and its size is about 1.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or go to machine and select to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name and select the ISOs and remaining options. Provide the name for the virtual machine. Then select the folder or location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the location where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Then select voice Linux and voice distribution type. It is based on Debian. So select Debian. Don't select this. Proceed with unattended installation. See here we have the latest version Trixie, because Tails 7.10 is based on Trixie. Okay, select it and click on next. Provide the base memory and number of CPU cores. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU cores to virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. These are based on availability and requirement. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these, click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the Tails 7.10 and hit enter. Welcome to Tails. For language, keyboard and formats, it has selected defaults. If you want to change this, just click on these options, then select the option or search. Okay, I am okay with all these three. Then if you want to create persistent storage, just you need to turn on. Okay, additional settings. See, but these are the default values. By default, administration password is set off. I want to set. Okay. Then click on add. Remaining options I am not going to change. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. Tar connection. If you want to connect to Tar automatically, you have to click on this one. Otherwise, just click on connect to Tar. Now it is establishing connection. Now open terminal or console. Now verify the version /etc os-release. See, we have installed TailsVoice 7.10 and it is based on Debian Linux. Okay, still it is establishing connections. The first step after connecting to TailsVoice is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Here we have to provide the password of the administration. Okay, it is establishing connection. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install TailsVoice 7.10 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.